Good day and welcome to the first presentation on the Goldchick Practical. This video is section 1 of 3 before term starts. Please have the Goldchick report card used in the practical with you for reference during the presentation. Pause the video first if you must fetch it. Do not write on it, keep it clean for your practical. The presentations linking to the Goldchick Practical will focus on the termly and daily routine of the monitor, as well as the function and use of the Goldchick report card. The monitor's routines and the function and use of the Goldchick report card will be expounded on in the following instances: before term starts, during the day, at the end of the school day, and in the morning. This presentation expounds on the activities before term starts. The goal of this presentation is to introduce the Goldchick report card and to show how the Goldchick report card should be prepared before term starts. The Goldchick report card is a management tool for the supervisor and monitor. It reflects in what measure the student exercises good stewardship over their work and behavior. For example, no detentions show good stewardship. It highlights areas where intervention from staff is needed. Taking too much homework on a regular basis may be cause for intervention. It shows areas where students can be commended. Finishing goals on a regular basis is an area where they may be commended. It shows interventions and actions undertaken by staff. The Goldchick report card keeps a record of the students' activities. It gives an overview of attendance and absenteeism, homework taken, in what subjects and how often. It can show academic progress. For example, PACE tests being done can show academic progress. It gives an overview of the behavior of a student when the behavior is negative. It records when the student has set their scripture memorization. Also gives an overview of the privilege level the student has obtained, an A or a C or an E level, how often the students finish their goals. It indicates meetings, for example, parent conferences, and it also shows outings like honor roll outings or field trips. The monitor prepares a Goldchick report card for each student before the first day of each term. The Goldchick report card consists of 2 pages, each with 6 weeks on. A Goldchick report card should be prepared for each student before term starts by indicating the identifying information, the dates for each week of the term, the prescribed monthly scriptures, public and school holidays, and planned activities. With a black pen or fine liner, neatly complete the identifying information. Complete the name, then the birth date, which quarter it is, and then which year. Fill in the dates for each week of the term. So in week 1 and in week 2. For week 1, the dates are the 12th to the 14th of April, and for week 2, the dates are the 17th to the 21st of April. Show the starting days and closing days of the term. For week 1, 12 to 14 April, the term starts on the Wednesday, the 12th of April, and it's indicated there. The term closes in week 11, 26th to 30th June, and the school closes on the 30th of June. Also fill in the monthly scriptures for week 1. The scripture is indicated as Isaiah 53 verse 1 to 12, and for the next 3 weeks that area is kept blank. It is not filled in again. In week 5 a new scripture is started and it is filled in there for week 5, Psalm 1 verse 1 to 6. Also fill in holidays or days where schools are closed. In the week of 24 to 28 April, week 3, is Freedom Day, which falls on a Thursday. The Friday is then a school holiday, and in week 4, Workers' Day is on a Monday, and the school has got a long weekend. Also filled in planned activities like outings, sports days or camps. In week 6, a field trip is planned to the zoo on the 19th of May. Remember that the Gold Check Report Card is an official document, therefore the Gold Check Report Cards must be filled in neatly. Keep the term's Gold Check Report Cards together in a folder. It must not be accessible to students, but easy to access, manage and write on. So please do not put it into plastic sleeves where you have to remove it every morning to be able to write on it. Order it in a way that makes it easy to use. It can be ordered in seating order or in alphabetical order. Retaining the Gold Check Report Cards. File the Gold Check Report Cards at the end of each term in a separate file, and then file the whole year's Gold Check Report Cards, term for term, in this file, to be used for reference and possible inquiries. In summary, a new Gold Check Report Card with the relevant information for that term must be prepared for each learner before a new term starts. Keep it neat and keep the year's Gold Check Report Cards on file. Congratulations! Your Gold Check Report Card is now ready to be used for the term. Thank you for watching.